Yo, what's up? I'm gonna go over my trade I took today. I am trading ES futures and my entries. I took a couple entries. I took two. I took two. One small loss. One. Let's see. Right here, look. One small loss. Another full loss. Okay. One small loss. A full loss. A little baby win, and then a full TP. Okay, those are my trades. So, the trades I took were on. They were really fast, bro. So seconds. Okay, my first entry was at 10:04:59. Right, 10:04:59 at 460.75, and I got out 461.75. It was half a P&L. Right, is this the minute? Minute, yep. So I was thinking, okay, it's gonna short to here, or at least short down to here. Today's move. Okay. So, and then the second trade I got in right away at 510. So at 459, boom, got in, got out, got stopped or halfway stopped out. And then I got in at 510 for another short right here. Got in there thinking it was going to fucking come back down. Saw a big seller indicator. I was like, fuck, it stopped. It got me out in 1 second at 10:05 or a millisecond. But so I waited 10:05:20, got in 10:05. That was the third one. But the good one that I took, I said, okay, I kind of calmed down. I regained composure. Hold on, let me go back for the third one. So the third one I got in 10:05:20. Okay, let me go back a little, 20 seconds more. 10:05:20. 10:05:20 got out 10:05:21. Super quick, like millisecond. Okay, for a long. I just saw that right there. Got in, got out. I just saw that the sellers weren't aggressive. Like they popped it up, they weren't aggressive. I closed it out. Honestly, it was just sketched out. Look, it was just dancing here like this. See, that's what I wanted. A little bit more of a jump. But it still didn't do what I liked. Right. So the last play that I took was at 10:08:13. So I said, okay, let me see. Let me wait for the a 5 minute retrace to this area. Why this area, you ask? Because I had it marked out. Hold on. Pause. Let me see. Give me a second. I'm gonna load it up. I had it marked out for a confluence. Yeah, it was a higher time frame confluence. So 10, 10, 9:30, 10:45, 10:30, 10 right here. Okay, this around this area, which was here, which was this area right here that I marked off in the morning. Right, it was a liquidity, liquidity. All right, so I figured I'm okay. Let me see if it retraces back to that. Yada yada yada. Right here. Oh no, 10. Was it that? I'm tripping. Oh yeah, it was around here. I marked it off on the other on another time frame, but let's see. 1064. It was right here. 1064. Let's see what's horizontal line. Kind of this around this area. Okay, it's orange. Let's see what it. Let's see if it's something. It is nothing. What the fuck? Uh, Let me see. Hold up. I want to see why I marked it off. Why? Why? You know, and then this went back to normal. So I'll just play it. Was that it? Oh no, because that wasn't it. My bad. So this is another footprint chart. It's this one. Okay. Uh, I marked it off. 1 minute. I think I marked it off because of this. It shot up, came down to this. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see my top step. Why did I mark it? It's a good question. I think it was 5 minute. Yeah, it's on here. So look, this is what I saw on the 5 minute, right? So forget all these lines, but this move that shot up, it stopped right here. Wait, that makes no sense, bro. Bro, bro. Uh, okay, I marked this high. It might have been on the 15 second then, because it's not there. The fuck? Okay, it's gonna be here. It better be fucking here. Okay. Okay, this is what I saw. Okay, I remember now. High, low, same high, low, same high as this. So I marked this low and this high. And I was like, okay, let me see what it wants to do in this range. Once it broke out, I started taking shorts. Right. Saw a big candle, fucking took it. I thought it was gonna at least go back to here, test this. But I see now and it already did test that so quick. Right. But it could have done a double test. I don't know. It could have even gone to here, this little fair value gap. But whatever. This was valid and I was whatever. Once I saw that I wasn't really on it for the shorts. I was like, okay, it's gonna sweep out this liquidity for sure. Then so okay, I waited, made a high, lower high right here, right, a lower low, a weak low. It started going up, and that's when I had the confluence of this, right. I had these confluences, right, and then I got in at 10:08:13, and I got out 10:08:39. Okay, so so let's see, 10:06. Yeah, I'm already. I'm just looking at the chart at this point. I'm looking. I'm like, okay, it's gonna go here. I have this level marked off. Let it come back. Come here, right? I'm just seeing what it does right now. I'm seeing what it's doing, right? I have the 15-minute chart up as well. I can't put that there. Can't see that shit. Hold up. Okay. Put that there. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to do it. Okay, I got an idea. Let's do that. Okay. Problem solved. Okay. So this is the level I have marked off in the 15 second. Right? The 15 second, I have this marked off. Uh this is what I want to see. Right? This is where I want to see. Okay? Where I'm looking at this now, but I'm looking at this as well. And it is okay. Okay. It's playing. It's playing. So I'm seeing these candles kind of form, right? I'm going here. I was like, oh, let me see about a 5 minute retrace. Okay, I'm getting that. And then it's lining up. Let's fucking go. If this wouldn't have hit, I kind of would have been a little bit, not devastated, but I would have been a little annoyed, right? So 10:08:13, I get in. I'll show you where I get in. 10:08:13 with I get in with these big buyers right here. Watch 10:08. See, buyer stepped in. I was like, oh, okay. Let's see. Held this area. I was like, oh, okay, more buyers. Okay, okay, boom, got in. Holding, holding. I was like, oh fuck, I wanted to close out already. I was like, and it kind of right here. I was like, oh shit, but then it just pops up. It pops up right there. I was only targeting over here, anyways. You know what I mean? If that, I knew it was gonna come back. If it was gonna go higher, if it was gonna go higher, it was gonna go to that level that I showed, right? That I saw, which was the high, the 76, right? 76 area, this area where there you have like stacked imbalances. Um, so yeah, this was a cool trade. I'm trying to just pass a challenge account, so it's all I need is one trade next month, next week, and I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it on Monday, so I could pass it Monday, get the 150 for the day, and then continue. Just I could get a payout 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can get a payout Friday. Yeah. So, but yeah, that was my trade, my scalps for today. Um, I had a little fluff in the beginning of the trade, or beginning of the video, but and it was crazy, bro. Honestly, to be completely transparent, I showed up to the market. I showed up. What the fuck? I showed up to the charts, right? But I fell asleep, bro. I was sitting in my chair at 9 o'clock ish. I fell asleep and I woke up at 9:45. I woke up like, uh, what the fuck? Okay, there you go. I woke up at 9:45, which was around this, and I saw like I was like, oh, what the fuck? So I was like, oh, okay, it's dipping, but I know it kind of wants to go up. So once I saw here, I was looking to take a long around here. I forgot why. Watch, let's see. I think my levels show why. Yeah, see, I wanted to take a long here because there was liquidity. There was liquidity here from the past, right? Let's see. There was. Let's see. 10. There was. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. I don't even. I'm kind of glad I didn't. I thought it was gonna go. It could have gone lower, bro. Honestly, but it was. I was just seeing how it was just holding here, and then it was trying to push down with things, and it was at this level. I was like, oh, I could take a quick little short up, right? And it fucking shot up, bro. It shot up. So check it on the 1 minute. Let's see right here. Once I saw it go up, boom, little fake out type shit. Not yet. Strong candle, and then boom, he just step in there. That's when I was like, oh, okay, it's gonna go up, and it shot up. It shot straight the fuck up because it was like just here. So I was like, let me get it, and then it just shot up. So I didn't get in at all. I didn't get in at all. But then again, I could have gotten something up here, but I don't really like. This was after a big move like that, just getting in up here, nah, bro. So I still stayed. I was like, let me get a little short, but it didn't play out. But waited, patient, saw my strategy of where look, big sellers came in here, came back, held that level here, didn't go down. It was just dancing in here for a little bit, shot up, and it just kept going up. Let me play it by the minute. See, kept going up. Boom. Then it started going down. Right. So that was my trade for this week. I have a green week. Uh, been it's been tough these past couple months, but I've learned and I'm getting back into my rhythm, and I'm grateful that I'm learning again and I am getting breaked up. Right. So Monday, another video. I might drop another video tomorrow. Just engraving the stuff that I've learned and kind of this is just videos I can watch back and get my mindset again. It's like watching a series again, watching a movie you like, you know. So feeling good. I hope you guys are too. Have a good day and a good night. Much love. All right. Peace.